All right, this is Kaitlyn from KMKDesigns. I'm here with Shannon, and we are going to show you how to make markings and try on a mock-up if you are getting a complicated custom thing, like custom bridal or custom costumes. Sometimes we'll send you something called a mock-up, which is a test garment made out of a bland fabric, not made to be perfect in any way, but to get the fit right on your body. So I'm going to kind of give you a tour of how to deal with that when you get a test garment. All right, so usually we're going to send you safety pins and a marker and maybe some instructions too. First of all, we always want you to just try it on and take a picture of how it is unpinned at the front, the side, and the back. Next, if you have a marker and there's any areas that are uncomfortable or problem areas or too big, you're going to mark them on the pattern. So like here, I can tell that it's too big right here. So I'm going to actually take a safety pin and pin that in and then mark it. All right, so you're going to pinch. To put this in, you're going to have to go, if it's like a corset like this, there's boning. So you're going to have to pinch in the parts that don't have boning. And pinch it and pin it. One other thing too, when you are doing this step is you want to make sure you do it relatively even on each side. So you don't want to take all of it out to one side and then skew it to one side. So I'm going to look. And it's okay if they're not exactly in the same place, as long as you're pinning the same amount evenly on each side, and they're generally in the same spot. Okay. And again, if you need to take out the safety pins to take it out, you can just take a marker and mark both sides of where you pinned it. All right, now other things that you want to keep in mind is like with her, the neckline, if you wanted it higher or lower, like right here I have a little note to add it up 1 inch, right there. And then if it was like good right here, you want to write like 0 out or this is where to stop or something of that nature. Another thing that we can pin in here is right there. Take this. Perfect. Looks like you have a little excess under here as well. So we're going to pin that as well. And turn around. All right, I'm going to have you turn around again. All right, and then I'm also going to make a mark at the bottom because I want to make it a little shorter. And then I think I want it to kind of 0 out here. You can draw in between those lines or you can just let us do that as well. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be something so that when we're looking at it later, we can figure out the changes that need to be made. Once you have done all your pinning and everything, you're going to take pictures again of the front, side, and the back. And then you're all set with your test garment.